Just imagine being able to buy Bitcoin with cash seamlessly at every major supermarket chain and convenience store in the country. Well, you don't have to imagine because it's real and it's changing how we buy crypto forever. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you as always for tuning in. If this is your first time, then welcome. Here on the Crypto Fiend YouTube channel, we are focused on bringing you the latest and greatest in the crypto space. So if you do find this video informative, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. Alright, let's get right into it. I'm very excited to be talking about a project that allows everyone to have a fair chance at financial prosperity. Coinme is a leading digital currency exchange with the focus on making crypto more accessible to everyone, and their roots run deep in this sector. Founded in 2014 as a producer of Bitcoin ATMs, this allowed users to scan a QR code to move cryptocurrency into a digital wallet. And what's really neat is that Coinme built the first licensed crypto ATM in the world. Their mission is to be the world's trusted gateway to digital currencies and provide a better financial future, offering low fees, ease of use, a helpful and responsive platform. Coinme is now the nation's largest cryptocurrency cash network, installed in 48 states with over 15,000 locations. The company has started installing Bitcoin ATMs in Coinstar kiosks and local supermarkets, making it so that buying Bitcoin has never been easier. Coinme has also recently announced a partnership with MoneyGram, which will enable anyone to buy and sell Bitcoin at select MoneyGram locations across the United States using the new Coinme app. Any extra change in your car or coins at home that you don't want? Just add it to your groceries list. Bread, milk, how about some Bitcoin? Using a Bitcoin ATM is quite simple, and it's the easiest and most secure way to purchase Bitcoin for cash. Definitely more secure than buying Bitcoin for cash from some guy in a dark alley. Coinme believes sound money should be accessible anywhere, so they're on a mission to help people everywhere understand and utilize the power of cryptocurrencies as a delightful medium of exchange. Now, instead of me just talking about buying Bitcoin with cash, how about we hop in my car and we go try it out for ourselves? Alright. Oh shit, look. So, I'm sure the majority of you guys have a Coinstar location near you. They're also partnered with MoneyGram, so they have over 15,000 locations in the United States. As you guys can see, you can now buy Bitcoin directly with cash. So we're gonna do that right now. This is actually my first time doing it, so we're gonna be doing this together. Why don't you come around this side for me? So let's see what's going on. Let's hit the screen. Oh, look at that. Brand new. Buy Bitcoin with Coinme. That's the app on the phone, Coinme. And then it gives us a little breakdown. You can do up to $2,500 in a 24-hour period. And there's just some other disclaimers. Let's go ahead and hit next. Max 2,500 bucks. Go ahead and I'm gonna enter in my phone number. I'll have that blurred out on the camera. Alright, so now it's giving me 5 minutes to enter in all my money. It's giving me the current conversion. They're factoring 1 BTC at $69,275, and then $1 gives you that much amount of Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and enter in our money. So I got $100 here that we're working with. This is pretty awesome. Who would have thought 3-4 years ago we'd be doing this in a supermarket? Not me. Alright, so as you can see, we entered in $100 and the transaction fee is 4%, so we got a $4 fee, and that's the total amount of Bitcoin that we're going to be getting. So now I'm going to hit buy Bitcoin. Alright, so now my transaction is complete and they're printing me out a voucher. So now what I do with this voucher is there's a code on it. So now I'm going to go on the Coinme app to redeem my Bitcoin. So as you guys can see, this is the home page of Coinme. I'm gonna hit this button in the bottom of the screen and redeem at Coinstar voucher. So now it's gonna ask me to enter in my code, which we have right here on the slip, my redemption code. So I'm gonna enter that in right now. It's a 12-digit code, EGN0. Then I'm gonna hit next. Now it's asking me to enter in the pin that is for this specific Coinstar machine. So the pin's also on this piece of paper. So our pin is 1333, and then you hit redeem. And then as you guys can see right there, my redemption was successful. So it's that easy, guys. You can now buy Bitcoin with cash at 15,000 locations in the United States with Coinstar and with MoneyGram at Walmart, Winn-Dixie, Publix, whatever supermarkets you guys have around you, CVS, Walgreens. So what are your guys' thoughts on Coinme? I am honestly very, very impressed with the overall experience. I had zero hiccups along the way. I simply walked in, put some cash in the machine, pressed a couple buttons, and I had Bitcoin deposited into my digital wallet. It was really that simple. Now, when we're looking at the app, I'm honestly a big fan of the app. It's very seamless and easy to use. There's not much on here that you really need to mess around with. But the main thing I really like is that they do allow you to withdraw your Bitcoin as well as deposit Bitcoin from other Bitcoin addresses. So it's not like, say, like Robinhood where you can't, or PayPal where you can't access your Bitcoin and actually send it elsewhere, and that sort of stuff. Another thing I really like about this app is in the bottom right corner. You can hit this discover button and you can actually look in any area that you want, whether it's where you're currently at or somewhere else, and you can see all of the different locations that you can utilize Coinme at. And as you guys can see, this is just a random area in Florida. We have a frick ton of locations. Again, guys, 15,000 locations plus locations in the United States in 48 states. I mean, you could literally drive down the street and try this out for yourself, most likely. But yeah, as you can see, you can scroll through all the different locations. These are all MoneyGram locations. So say I wanted to use this one, I could actually get direct directions to that location. And then it also tells me what the fee is for utilizing this MoneyGram. So it's $2.75. It gives me the address, and then I could hit buy, sell, and it would give me more information with this specific MoneyGram. So here at the bottom, there's also MoneyGram tips. So this sort of gives me an idea as to what to say to the employees when I get to the location, because Coinme did come out, get integrated with MoneyGram not too long ago. So maybe some of the employees aren't fully familiar with you being able to buy Bitcoin now. So as you can see, you can actually, they give you kind of what stuff to say and how to actually purchase Bitcoin with MoneyGram. And then the same thing applies with the Coinstar machines as well. Me personally, I'm a bigger fan of the Coinstar experience than the MoneyGram one. I have not tried the MoneyGram, so maybe it is better, but I do like just being able to go up, put some cash in the machine, press a couple buttons, get my voucher, and then enter it into my phone. And then, yeah, right here, as you can see, you can send and receive Bitcoin. So you do have access of this Bitcoin. It is tangible. You can withdraw it from your digital wallet and send it to another Bitcoin wallet, a Bitcoin exchange, whatever you want to do. And then you can also receive Bitcoin to this digital wallet as well. So that's really it, guys. Again, such a cool experience. So cool to see this coming into fruition after so many years. You know, we're finally really getting mainstream adoption for Bitcoin and crypto in general. Only thing I'd say is hopefully one day we can have more cryptocurrencies than just Bitcoin offered. I'm sure they're already thinking about that, whether it's Ethereum, whatever. That would be really cool to see multiple different cryptocurrencies offered at these machines and at MoneyGram. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you like this style of video, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up to help spread this video to more people here on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.